Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raya Malikasono. I'm from 7.1, and now I will tell you about job. Job is working, and work is a human activity. Work or labor is intentional activity people perform to support themselves, others, or the needs and wants a wider community. Alternatively, work can be viewed as the human activity that contributes towards the goods and service within an economy. There are a lot of jobs in this world. One of it is doctor. Doctor, also known as physician, are licensed health professionals who maintain and restore human health through the practice of medicine. They examine patients, review their medical history, diagnose illness or injuries, administer treatment, and console patients on their health and well-being. Role of a doctor in a society. A doctor is a person with extensive knowledge in the domain of medical science who applies and dedicates his knowledge to identify medical problems faced by patient and then use his skill to prevent or cure it. Why is it important to have a doctor? There are actually many good reasons to see a doctor regularly, even when you feel fine. The most important reason is that some serious illness require treatment before you feel or recognize them, such as heart disease, thyroid disorders, kidney issues, and cancer such as of the prostate, colon, and still many of other. What is the role of a doctor? You will treat all common medical conditions and refer patients to hospital and other medical services for urgent and special treatment. You'll focus on the general health and care of a person, combining their physical, psychological, and social needs. What it means to be a doctor. A doctor is someone who is qualified in medicine and treats people who are ill. Do not discontinue the treatment without consulting your doctor. Dr. Page will be here right after the lunch to see her. Synonyms: physician, medic, physician, general practitioner, more synonym of doctor, and more, and still there is more synonyms of a doctor. Job description for doctors. They diagnose, educate, and treat patients to ensure that they have the possible care. A few of the main duties of doctor are performing diagnostic tests, recommending specialists for patient, documents patient medical history, and educating patients. They also have to administer vaccines and other treatments. Why doctors are important in our life? In most countries, basic medical degree qualifies a person to treat patients and prescribe appropriate treatment, including drugs. A doctor is one of the most important professions. After all, the specialist has the knowledge and skills to diagnose, treat, and control the spread of various diseases. What is a doctor's responsibility to a patient? Physicians are expected to provide care in emergencies, handle patients, inform decisions to reuse life-sustaining treatment, and respect basic civil liberties, and not discriminate against individuals in deciding whether to enter into a professional relationship with a new patient. What is the moral of a doctor? All doctors have responsibilities to protect and promote health. These responsibilities at the heart of medicine, providing its moral foundation. Some doctors meet their responsibility treating individuals with disease. Some teach or do research with other safeguard or promote the health of population.